Hey guys, welcome back. After this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or remove apps on Slack. So first, what you want to do is click on the apps right here, then go to manage and click on browse apps. To open this up and just click any of the apps that you want to remove or disable. So let's say I want to disable the Giphy app right here. So I'm just gonna click on it, then click on configuration. So this will load a new website right here. So once you're here, you could either disable or remove it. So let's say I just want to disable it. So I'm just gonna click here on the disable button and just confirm it. And now it is disabled. And if you want to re-enable it, just click on this one. And if you want to remove it, just click on the remove button right here and just click on OK. Now it is removed. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe. It helps reach more people. See you on the next one.